Welcome to the Foundry by Forge College. Today, our focus is Capstone Finalization and Deployment Readiness. You have put in serious work. In our last session, you built a standalone ENS-integrated dApp. Today, you're looking at a complete, secure Solana API. Now, it's time to take that API out of your workspace and into the real world. Building an app locally on your laptop is like cooking a great meal in your home kitchen. You know exactly where the salt is. But launching a public API is like opening a massive, stadium-sized franchise. Before you unlock the front doors and let thousands of hungry customers rush in, the city inspector will walk through with a clipboard to verify your kitchen won't catch fire the moment you turn on the stoves. Launching software requires that exact same level of rigor. Writing the code is only step one. Deploying means bundling that code with strict safety checks and detailed operating instructions so it survives contact with real users. The first item the inspector needs to see is a reproducible build. Every developer eventually faces the same headache. A piece of code runs flawlessly on their personal laptop, but the second they copy it to a public server, it crashes completely. It usually happens because the server is missing a tiny, invisible setting that the laptop had. Look at this digital blueprint. We solve that problem using a tool called Docker, which acts like an IKEA flat pack box for your software environment. It neatly folds up your code, your specific settings, and the exact operating system required to run it. Because everything is packed into this identical sealed container, the server environment is built exactly the same way, using the exact same tools every single time you open the box. You do have to pack carefully. This build must only contain the essential elements needed to run the API. You have to strip out any temporary scaffolding, testing tools, or sensitive developer notes you used during construction. By isolating only what matters, reproducible builds eliminate deployment guesswork. The API will behave consistently, regardless of whose computer or which cloud provider is hosting it. The second requirement for deployment readiness is your security documentation and operational runbook. Across the different learning programs at Forge College, we emphasize that typing out clever code makes you a good programmer, but formally documenting your safety controls is what makes you a professional. This image shows exactly what we mean. Think of the emergency runbook as a restaurant manager's crisis manual. It tells the team exactly what to do if the power goes out or a pipe bursts. For your Solana API, this manual has to include detailed threat models showing what could attack you, a map of the security controls you built to stop them, and hard evidence from your tests proving those controls actually work. It also dictates how you handle operational secrets. Sensitive data, like your private API keys, provide the administrative access to your application. You wouldn't leave a building's master key sitting on a public bench, and you shouldn't bake those keys directly into your code. Instead, you manage them securely through environment variables, protected data vaults that sit outside the code itself. Providing a comprehensive runbook proves to your reviewers that your system functions safely under normal conditions and is entirely recoverable when things go wrong. That brings us to the third and final requirement, automated smoke tests. Smoke tests are small, automated scripts that act as a robotic health inspector. Before your API is allowed to accept real user traffic, this inspector runs through a checklist of vital functions. Watch this robotic inspector run its routine. First, it performs a health check. It simply knocks on the server's door to verify the system is awake and responding without crashing. Next, it tests authentication. The script presents dummy credentials, ensuring the API correctly validates real users and completely blocks unverified access. Finally, it checks your error handling. The script intentionally sends bad data to see what happens. The API must safely reject the request and return a standard error message rather than panicking and leaking sensitive system information. These checks are absolute. If the robotic inspector fails even one of these basic tests, the automated deployment halts immediately. It physically prevents a broken or insecure system from going public. Automated smoke tests give you a strict safety net. They provide undeniable, machine-readable proof that your API is ready for operation. Look at how these pieces come together on screen. When you combine the reproducible build, the emergency runbook, and the automated smoke tests, you create a production-ready deployment package. Bundling those three elements together and submitting them officially satisfies the final acceptance criteria for this Capstone project. By passing these final checkpoint verifications, you prove that your Solana API is hardened, documented, and fully prepared for real-world staging. Establishing this highly organized, automated foundation perfectly sets the stage for our next lesson, where we will start introducing artificial intelligence to assist with your developer workflows. Passing this final inspection marks the transition from building code to managing a live system. Visit forge.college to learn more about this subject and to explore our other Web3 related topics. See you in the next lesson.